Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and doing mathematics comfortably. These days, we people are doing the chapter code in 3D. We have done first definition of cone, second how to find the equation of the cone, and third the condition when the given equation represents a cone. शंकु के डेफिनेशन, उसकी परिभाषा हम लोग कर चुके हैं. यदि आप नए हैं, आप पहली बार वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, तो वीडियोस फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ वीडियोस जरूर देखें. आज का हमारा 6th वीडियो है. Definition of cone. How to find the equation of the cone when the vertex is given and the guiding curve is given, then we can find the equation of the cone. Vertex is origin, then you know that the equation of the cone will be homogeneous. Third point, the condition when the given equation represents the cone. You remember this one. We will use this part to solve these three questions. First one is prove that the equation, this is the second degree equation, prove that the equation 2x square minus 8xy minus 4yz minus 4x minus 2y plus 6z plus 35 equals to 0. You remember this equation is second degree. Remember y square is missing, z square is missing, but we have second degree term, this one because it is x into y into z, this is linear term. Again, this is first degree term or linear term. This is first degree term, and this is the 0 degree term, that is pure constant. So prove that the equation represents a cone. Second question, find the vertex of the cone. And the third one is prove that the equation represents a cone if this condition holds. यदि ये समीकरण शंकु को प्रदर्शित करती है, तो ये प्रूव करना u स्क्वायर अपॉन a प्लस v स्क्वायर अपॉन b प्लस w स्क्वायर अपॉन c इक्वल्स टू t. कई बार ये दोनों क्वेश्चंस शामिल करके पूछे जाते हैं. कैसे? प्रूव दैट द इक्वेशन रिप्रेजेंट्स अ कोन, आल्सो फाइंड इट्स वर्टेक्स. नाउ टुडे वी विल यूज two methods. First one I have already explained, that the condition when the given equation represents a cone. You remember the determinant of order 4 by 4, that means you remember how to write it: A, B, C, F, then G, then H. This is 3 by 3 and this is symmetric. You look at F, F, G, G, H, H, then U, V, W, D, U, V, W, D. This is a determinant of order 4 by 4. If this determinant is equals to 0, then the second degree equation represents a cone. So we will use this part to solve this question as well as this question. This one is find the vertex of the cone. We will change, but this question, this one, to find the vertex of the cone, there are two things inbuilt. That means we can prove the given equation as the equation of cone and we find the vertex of the cone, but we will discuss it later on. I mean to say, इस इक्वेशन में केवल हमें ये प्रूव करना है, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें केवल ये प्रूव करना है कि ये शंकु के समीकरण को प्रदर्शित करती है. थर्ड में यदि ये शंकु की इक्वेशन प्रदर्शित करती है तो ये सिद्ध करना है. और जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन है उसमें शंकु की समीकरण जो दे रखी है उसका वर्टेक्स, उसका शीर्ष ज्ञात करना है। लेकिन सेकंड वाले क्वेश्चन को करते समय हम दो बातें एक साथ प्रूव करेंगे, वर्टेक्स भी निकालेंगे और साथ ही साथ इस इक्वेशन को हम कोण की इक्वेशन को प्रूव करते हैं। सो लेट अस कंटिन्यू। First we solve first one. We find all the elements of the determinants. Let us see. First one. Okay. A means coefficient of x square, that is 2. B coefficient of y square 0. C coefficient of z square, that is also 0. A, B, C. Okay, then F, Z, H. F means half coefficient of yz. ध्यान रखना आपको, half coefficient of yz. yz का coefficient है -4, इसका half. This I have already explained. Then Z, zx is missing here, so half coefficient of zx is 0. H is half coefficient of xy, half coefficient of xy, that is -4. U, V, W. U means half coefficient of x, that is -2. V half coefficient of y, -1. W half coefficient of z, that is 3, and constant term, that is D, that is 35. I have already explained the general equation of second degree in x, y, z and how to find all these. So now delta, that is the determinant A, B, C, F, Z, H, U, V, W, D, U, V, W, D. We calculate the value of this one. If this determinant is equal to 0, the value of this determinant is equal to 0, then we say this equation represents the equation of the cone, that is the second degree cone. Okay, so I will not look at this one, I will write A, B, C. It is better to write all the parameters like this, so you can write the answer easily. ABC, that is 2, 0, 0. F, that is -2. Z, that is 0. Then H, that is -4. Here it is -4. Then U, V, that is -2, -1, 3, and D is 35, -2, -1, 3. It is this. So this is 4x4 determinant, and to solve the determinant, definitely it is a little bit time consuming, but if you look at, then we find here 0 and 0, so we try to reduce it into the simplest one. So let us see. We use the elementary transformation. We add these two, that means R4 plus R1. We get R4 means fourth row, R1 means first row, so elements of fourth row are added to this one, so we find the answer. R1 will be as this, so it is 2 -4 0 -2 -4 0 -2 -1 0 -2 0 3. Now we add this plus this is 0, then -4, then this one is added, so it is -5, then 0 and 3 is added, so it is 3, then minus 2, and this one is added, so it is 33. Okay. We have obtained 2 zeros in the first column. Now one more operation. This is the second row, plus 2 times of R1. 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके इसमें ऐड करना है. So this will be as it is 2 minus 4 0 minus 2. Third row I write as it is 0 minus 2 0 3 0 minus 5 3 33. Now R2 means minus 4 0 minus 2 minus 1. Multiply by the first row by 2, so it is plus 4 minus 8, then it is 0, then it is minus 4. So you see the answer. Okay, double up this, so it is 4, then minus 8, then 0, then minus 4. Minus 4, 0, minus 2, minus 1, so it is 0, then it is minus 8, then minus 2, and this is minus 5. I hope so. So it is 0, minus 8, minus 2, and here is minus 5. This is the way, and be careful. Definitely it is time consuming. So have some patience. Don't try to make a mistake. Now we expand this distance with the help of this first column. So it is 2 times of the whole determinant, that is minus 2, minus 2, minus 5, 3, minus 5, 3, and 33. Okay. Now we expand 2 times. So it is minus 8 into, now this is 3 by 3. So we expand it. Minus 8 times this into this is 0, minus 3 3 are 9. Okay. Then minus, so it is minus of minus 2. Then this one and this one is out, so this into this is multiplied, so it is minus 66. Then minus 66, then minus, so it will be plus 50. Here it is. Then minus 5. This one and this one is out, so it is minus 6. I hope, yes, this is minus 6. Okay. 2 times. This is plus 72. 8 9 is 72. Then it is minus into minus is plus. Then this is minus 66. So it is minus 51. So it is double. So it is minus 102. Okay. This minus and minus will be plus, but this term is negative. And this is 51, so double of 51 will be 102 negative, then it is plus 30. Wow, it is 0, 72 and 30 is 102, and minus 102, the answer is 0. See. Prove that the equation represents a cone. Looking at this equation, we cannot decide ये किसकी इक्वेशन है, लेकिन यदि आपको सेकंड डिग्री इक्वेशन दे रखी है, जनरल इक्वेशन स्फीयर की इक्वेशन हो, तो आपको मालूम है एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर और जेड स्क्वायर तीनों के कोफिशिएंट जो है वो इक्वल होना चाहिए. एक्स वाई की टर्म, वाई जेड की टर्म और जेड एक्स की टर्म एब्सेंट होनी चाहिए. जैसे मैं लास्ट इक्वेशन देखता हूँ, ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी वाई स्क्वायर प्लस सी जेड स्क्वायर, इसमें एक्स वाई वाई जेड और जेड एक्स की टर्म नहीं है, लेकिन एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर और जेड स्क्वायर को कोफिशिएंट अनइक्वल है, ए बी सी. हाँ, यदि मैं बोल दूं इफ ए इक्वल्स बी इक्वल्स टू सी, देन दिस इज अ स्फीयर. ओके, सो हियर इट इज प्रूव दैट द इक्वेशन रिप्रेजेंट्स अ कोन. This determinant is equal to 0, so 100% this equation represents the equation of the cone. Okay. Now, second question, find the vertex of the cone. 2x square minus 8xy minus 4y minus 4x minus 2y plus 6z plus 35 equals to 0. So let us see. To find the vertex, there is a particular method. So, how to solve this one? Number 2. Find the vertex of the cone. Cone is 2x square minus 8xy minus 4yz minus 4x minus 2y plus 6z plus 35 equals to 0. We will make this equation homogeneous. हम इसको समघात बनाएंगे. अब आप कहोगे सर समघात कैसे बनाओगे, यहाँ तो कोई और इक्वेशन नहीं दे रखी है, तो यहाँ एक टेक्निकल पॉइंट है. This I write is, remember, this is second degree term, second degree, first degree, first degree, 0th degree term. So look at this one. This is rewritten as 2x square minus 8xy or minus 4yz minus 4x into t. T is any parameter, so it is making chalk. Sometimes it happens. Okay, let us continue. Making this equation homogeneous. We get 2x square minus 8xy minus 4yz minus 4x into 1 minus 2y into 1, 6z into 1, and this is plus 35 1 whole square equals 0. कल मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था. Now instead of 1 I use some parameters. Let us suppose I use parameter t, and it is 2x square minus 8xy minus 4yz minus 4xt minus 2yt plus 6zt plus 35t square equals to 0. T is a parameter. Using t, we made the given equation homogeneous. You can write the answer straight away. लेकिन मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए किस तरह से फर्स्ट डिग्री टर्म था, इसको मैंने लिखा, वर्क को मैंने किससे रिप्लेस कर दिया, टी से. So now this is second degree, everywhere the second degree term, and let us suppose the whole is divided by x, y, z, t. This is the left hand side is a function of x, y, z, and t. So this is the first step to find the vertex of the cone. जो इक्वेशन दे रखा है उसको होमोजेनियस बनाना है. ध्यान रखना यदि पूरी इक्वेशन होमोजेनियस है तो मैंने समझा रखा है कि उसका वर्टेक्स जो है वो 0 0 0 होगा 100%. But the complete equation is not homogeneous, so the vertex is not origin. We have to calculate. So how to find this one? We make it homogeneous equation like this. Then the second step, differentiate the whole partially with respect to x, y, z and t. पूरी इक्वेशन को आंशिक अवकलन करना है किसके रेस्पेक्ट में, x के रेस्पेक्ट में, y के रेस्पेक्ट में, z के रेस्पेक्ट में और t के रेस्पेक्ट में. आपके पास में 4 इक्वेशंस आएगी. You will obtain 4 equations just like del f upon del x. क्या बनेगा? This is 4x minus it is 8y 0, it is minus 4t, then there is no x, so this complete is 0. del f by del y with respect to y. This is 0, then it is minus 8x with respect to y. Remember, then it is minus 4z, yes, with respect to y. Out, this is minus t, then this is equals to 0. Look at this. Let us, it is with respect to y, so this is 0, then it is minus 8x. Okay, so with respect to y it is minus 8x, that is minus 4z, then it is minus with respect to y, so it is 0. Okay, then it is minus 2t. Here it is minus 2t. Again I checked, with respect to y 0, then it is minus 8x, minus 4z, it is 0, and with respect to y it is minus 2t, 0 and 0. Okay. And del f upon del z. With respect to z, 0, 0, with respect to z, so it is minus 4y, with respect to z, 0, with respect to z, 0, so it is plus 6t, and it is 0. And the last one is del f upon del t. With respect to 0, 0, 0, here it is minus 4x, minus 2y, then plus 6z, and with respect to t, so it is 7t, t equals to 0. Second step. What is the first step? This is first step. Make the given equation homogeneous. This is the second step. Calculate partial derivatives, that is with respect to x, y, z and t. Now t is the parameter, you can choose the value of t. Remember, if you choose the value, the simplest value of t is 1, or you can choose minus 1. If we use t equals to 0, then purpose is not solved. So other than 0, we just simplify the whole equations. So it will be choosing t equals to 0. Let t equals to 1. We get 4x minus 8y minus 4 equals to 0. This implies 2x, not 2x, this is x minus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. Then minus 8x minus 4z, then minus 2 equals to 0. Implies that is 4x plus 2z plus 1 equals to 0. Then this one, this is minus 4y plus 6, t means 1. This is equals to 0. So this implies y equals to 3 by 2. Yes. We have obtained the value of y. Minus, minus, plus, and this one. Then the last one is minus 4x minus 2y plus 6z plus 7t equals to 0. Now remember, we have 4 equations: first, second, third, and this one, fourth one. Okay. We want to find the vertex, so we want the value of x, y and z. But remember, we have 4 relations and unknown 3. So if we solve any 3 equations, then we can find the value of x, y, z. Then what is the use of the 4th equation? The 4th equation, whatever it is, will decide the given equation represents the given equation of cone. So if x, y, z are satisfied by the 4th equation, whatever it is, then the given equation represents the equation of cone, and the values of x, y, z, that will represent the vertex. तो इस मेथड से हम दोनों बातें एक साथ प्रूव कर रहे हैं। वर्टेक्स भी मिलेगा आपको, और जो इक्वेशन है वो यदि कोण की इक्वेशन है तो एक्स वाई जेड की जो वैल्यूज है वो फोर्थ रिलेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगी। ओके, तो पहला वाला जो मेथड था उसमें केवल हमने कंडीशन यूज की थी डिटरमिनेंट, लेकिन यदि डिटरमिनेंट सिंपल बन जाता है तब तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट इज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, उसमें से टाइम लगता है। सो वी कैन से दिस वन, नाउ वी सिंप्लीफाई दिस। सो हियर y equals to 3 by 2. So we substitute the value of y in the first equation. So here from first, x minus 2 times y is 3 by 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So x is 4. Okay, then from second, 4 into x means 4 plus 2z and plus 1. Mistake somewhere else. Okay, it is correct. So 16 plus 1 17. So z is minus 17 by 2. Yes. So therefore x is 4, y is 3 by 2 and z is minus 7 by 2. अभी हम 4, 3 by 2, minus 17 by 2 को शंकु का शीर्ष नहीं कह सकते। हालांकि यहाँ पर ये वर्ड दे रखा है कोण, तो डेफिनेटली कोण की इक्वेशन है, हमने प्रूव नहीं किया है, लेकिन ये तीनों वैल्यूज यदि फोर्थ को सेटिस्फाई करती है तो जो इक्वेशन दे रखी है वो कोण की इक्वेशन होगी और ये इसका वर्टेक्स होगा। ओके, सो लेट अस सी फ्रॉम 4 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, what is left hand side? Minus 4 into x means 4, minus 2, y means 3 by 2, then plus 6z, z means minus 17 by 2 plus 70, so it is minus 16, this and this cancelled out, so it is minus 3 and minus 51 plus 70, so minus 51, so it is minus 54, so oh, this is minus 70 plus 70, so 0. Therefore 4, 3 by 2, minus 17 by 2 is the vertex of the. Okay, so fourth equation be satisfied by the values of x, y, z. So the given equation represents the equation of the cone, and 4, 3 by 2, minus 17 by 2 be the vertex of the cone. So I hope you have understood. Now we solve the question number 3rd. We use both the methods. See, prove that the equation represents a cone F. Okay, so solution. The equation will represents a cone if delta equals to 0. That means A, B, C, F, G, H, U, V, W, D, U, V, W, D equals to 0. This implies. A coefficient of x square, A only, so I write it straight away, that is A, B, C. F, G, H means coefficient, half coefficient of y, z, x and xy. So there is no term, so 0. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then U, V, W, D, L, so it is U, V, W, D, and U, V, W, D. This is equal to 0. It is. Now simplify this. A times this one and this one is out, so what's left? This is B, 0, V, and it is 0, C, W, then V, W, D. Okay, expanding along the first row, so this one and this one is out, so this one is left. Then second element is 0, third element is also 0, so it was 0 times whatever the remaining will be 0. So with respect to this one we use positive sign, then negative sign, then positive sign, then negative, so it is minus U times. What is left? This one and this one is out, so it is 0, B, 0, 0, 0, C, U, V, W. This is equals to 0. I repeat, the second degree equation represents a cone if this determinant is equals to 0. Find the values of all the, then you just substitute and simplify this one. Okay, so let us complete it. So it is A times, now this is a 3 by 3, so it is B into this one and this one is out, so it is CD minus W square minus, this will be 0 here, and plus V times this one and this one is, so this is 0 minus C, it is minus CB. Okay, then minus U. Now definitely we can expand it with respect to any column or any row. So I just consider this one and this one. So 0 and here it is minus B. Or you can use this one also. It is your choice. So this one is 0, so it is minus CU. This is equal to 0. I hope it is correct. This one, or we'll see this. So, okay. Just multiply the whole. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, and minus AB minus AB W square. Okay. And then it is A is multiplied by this, it is minus AC V square. And then it is minus plus, then it is minus. Minus plus, then it is minus, then it is BC V square. Okay. You just ignore the sound, that is music is going on. So transpose the terms, that is BCU square plus ACV square plus ABW square equals ABC. Divide the whole by ABC. Then we find dividing by ABC. A square upon B, W square upon C. Okay, so this is the way to prove the given equation represents the equation of the cone by using the increment. Now we use the alternative method. See. Ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2ux plus 2by plus 2wz plus b equals to 0. Making this equation homogeneous. Summed up. Ax स्क्वायर सेकंड डिग्री टर्म है जिसको नहीं छेड़ना है प्लस 2ux into t प्लस घूमर का गाना बज रहा है, जस्ट एंजॉय एंड पे योर कंसंट्रेशन. 2ux into t plus 2vy into t plus 2wz into t and constants are like, and this is denoted by x, y, z. This is the first step. Okay, now the second step, find the partial derivative with respect to x. So it is 2ax 0 0 0 plus with respect to x it is 2ut and all other terms will be 0. Del f by del y by symmetry it is 2by plus 2vt equals to 0. You can see this is 0, so it is 2by 0 and with respect to y so it is 2vt and all other terms will be 0. Then del f by del z, so it is 2cz, then it is 2w with respect to z, so it is 2wt equals to 0. And del f by del t with respect to t, so all being 0, so here we find here t with respect to t, so it is 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus 2dt equals to 0. Okay, then taking t equals to 1, we get, if we use t equals to 1, this is already explained, then what will happen? T is 1, so it is 2ax plus 2u equals to 0, 2b plus 2v equals to 0, then 2cz plus 2w equals to 0, and the last one is 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus 2d equals to 0. And this implies the value of x, that is minus u upon a, y minus v upon b, z that is minus uw upon c. X is this, y is c, and z is this. Now the equation will be the equation of the cone if these three means the value of x, y and z is satisfied by this equation. Okay, so this is the first, second, third, and this is the fourth. So from fourth, You substitute the value of x, y, z. So here 2 is cancelled out. So it is u x means minus u upon a plus v y means minus v upon p plus w z means minus w upon c. Then where here it is plus 2d. So 2 is cancelled out. So d equals 0. Then it is u square upon a plus v square upon b plus w square upon c equals to b. Henceforth. समझे? So ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals 0 represents a cone if this equation holds. MCQ ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, आपको याद रखना है u स्क्वायर अपॉन a प्लस v स्क्वायर अपॉन b प्लस w स्क्वायर अपॉन c इक्वल्स टू d। ये कंडीशन यदि होल्ड करती है तो जो इक्वेशन दे रखी है वो इक्वेशन क्या बनेगी, कोन की इक्वेशन, और उसका वर्टेक्स क्या होगा, वर्टेक्स विल बी माइनस u अपॉन a माइनस v अपॉन b माइनस w अपॉन c। ये आपको ध्यान रखना है। तो कोन तब बनेगा जब ये कंडीशन हो, और उस कोन का वर्टेक्स आएगा माइनस u अपॉन b माइनस v अपॉन b माइनस w अपॉन c। एक क्वेश्चन देता हूं होमवर्क के लिए, आपको करना है। Prove that 4x square minus y square plus 2z square plus 2xy minus 3yz plus 12x minus 11y plus 6z plus 4 equals 0. 4x square minus y square plus 2z square plus 2xy minus 3yz plus 12x minus 11y plus 6z plus 4 equals to 0. Represents a cone. Also find its vertex. Okay, so solve this question and you write your answer in the comment box. So I'll answer that your answer is correct or not. Thank you very much. अपना ध्यान रखिएगा। कोविड-19 बहुत बुरी तरह से फैल रहा है, इसलिए बाहर नहीं जाइए, मास्क लगाइए और आप अपना ध्यान रखिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद।